that new high today, 68 to 41, which would be, we got the calc level. Those would be the only targets I'm really looking for. We've already tested 35, so I wouldn't even really be looking for that as a target. Of course, got to pay attention there. We could fail again and dump, I know, but 35, 70 calc level, we've already tested it. I'll be looking for that to break. And then, gosh, dang, I didn't get filled, and I should have just marketed. But man, this spread is insanity. I wasn't about to market in on that one just yet. I should have though. That was probably my last chance. Boy, it came back and was testing that open print. Order filled. Just entered on that 5. I got a profit taking order out here. If I can get a fill on a partial here, I will. Order filled. There we go. Just got paid. Just got paid a little bit. If we pull back into that area, I'll be able to take it again. I'm not going to add unless we get that dip back into 40.18 maybe, or we get the break here. 40.30, 39. This 5-minute close is under it. No long. I'm not adding anything. Just going to give it a minute, see if we can't get that pullback into 40.18 at the top of the hour. We have a nice little consolidation candle here on this hour close. That'd be a freaking gorgeous trade, right? I don't know if I trust this long yet. Let's see if we can get that pullback I talked about there. And we're breaking all of the things that I want to get long on. So no way I'm touching this thing long. I don't know. This is good. This looks like a pretty good extension though, for sure. Get a nice 15-minute 9 bounce off that 40.12. Pivot high. I don't know. Let's see. Dang, look at that selling. Let the profit taking commence, right? We got a nice move. Do whatever you got to do here. We're pulling back into that pivot high of 12, right? It's right at the 15-minute 9. We got the PCH here on the 12 at 10. We start breaking that, and we're going back to the 60-minute 9, right? I mean, it's looking more like if we can get a bounce to get short in. This is one of those days like if this 4,000 doesn't hold, these guys are going to, there's going to be some serious unwind here. But I need a good setup to get in. What do we do? Just pop right into the volume, right? Just pop right into a little volume on the 5-minute. I mean, this thing looks like it just wants to dump. So what am I shorting off of? Right there. That's what I'm looking at. 4,004. We're in the trigger range. I just got filled. Let's see what happens here. Come on, let's see that new low. There it is. Let's see the new low on the 15. That'll be where the move really starts getting juicy. Order filled. Pay myself. I got all out too, by the way. I'm just paying myself. I'm not messing around here. Got 3 or 4 points out of that.